You know, early on, parts was our business, and doing more repair and refurb and that sort of stuff before we got into manufacturing.
When I started at East Coast Gear Supply, the vision was simple. Build something that could compete at the highest level in the drivetrain category. Excellent products, technical expertise, and 100% customer focused. Over the years, I feel we have done that. We've grown from a small service parts business to a global manufacturing and parts business. The two largest factors to growth has been maintaining our customer focus and investing in our inventory and capabilities. 6 years ago, we made our 5th company move to our current location. At this point, we knew what we wanted and needed to go to the next level. We now have the space and the vision to set up our axle manufacturing line. Machine, weld, assemble, wash, paint, and pack in a single streamlined process with quality checks throughout. This was the way to take axle building to the next level. The facility and upfit was a significant investment and the process worked. This is when the conversations with Dynatrac started. Having known and respected Dynatrac for their quality and innovation, we were able to share ideas, processes, best practices, and even our secrets. It did not take long for us to realize that the ECGS facility and manufacturing line was a huge value add to what Dynatrac had already done. They're proven, tried assemblies. It is an absolute honor to partner with Dynatrac to build one of the most respected brands in the industry. I couldn't be more proud of the people and the partnerships that got us here and where we are today. This facility truly has become a world-class drivetrain manufacturing facility, fully committed to quality, integrity, and exceeding the customer's needs.